Before I ever turned this elevator on, everything was already prepared. The foundation, the structure, the load calculations, every step was done according to plan. And then a heavy storm hit and almost destroyed the entire project. What you're looking at here isn't a small construction issue. An entire section of the hillside collapsed. Mud, rocks, and rainwater poured straight into the elevator shaft. A space that had been dry and stable was completely flooded overnight. Even worse, some of the support columns lost their soil backing. Parts of the structure were left hanging. If I didn't act immediately, this could have turned into a serious failure. At first, I blamed the weather, but it didn't take long to realize this was on me. During the previous phase, I didn't finish the exterior waterproofing and drainage in time. If that work had been done properly, the water should have been redirected, not allowed to seep into the underground structure. What happened? Happened. Complaining doesn't fix anything. The first step was clean up, removing all the mud and the standing water, then checking whether the foundation could still drain properly. The good news? The soil here drains better than I expected. Next came reinforcement. I added new structural supports, replacing failed soil support with steel columns, and fully sealed the exterior to prevent this from happening again. Right around then, a critical component finally arrived. This is the heart of the elevator system, an electric hoist rated for about 400 kilograms, controlled wirelessly. Before the structure was fully finalized, I only ran low-risk tests, first with no load, then with heavy weights simulating a person. Everything ran smoothly, no strange noises, no misalignment. Finally, I stepped onto the platform myself. When the elevator started moving, I knew one thing for sure. This project was still alive. This isn't the finish line. It's just the recovery phase. Next, I'll turn this into a space that can actually be used every day.